Presenting the 3000 watt Aavix inverter generator. This comes in two startup models. You have the key start, and you also have a model with only the pull start. Once you remove it from the box, make sure that you have your manual, the 10 millimeter, and your L wrench to change the oil, your socket plug remover, battery charger cables, the keys if you have the key start model, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a large socket, and your oil drain. First, you are going to need to put oil in the machine. To access your oil, first use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw on the panel. You can now locate your oil cap in here. Remove the oil cap. Once you place the funnel, you would be placing 450 milliliters of oil. Next, you will open the gas cap and fill some gas into your machine. You have a gas gauge monitored right here to show you your gas level. To explain our control panel, we will go through it one by one with you. Located here, you have the key startup, which is included on some of our models. Just above, you have the ground connection, which you can attach a copper wire and then nail a steel nail into the ground to ground your machine. This switch here is to turn on and off the power distribution. It is advised to turn that into the off position before unplugging or plugging any of the plugs. Here you have your oil light. Right here is located your AC light. Then you have your overload switch. Your overload switch will be indicated if you forget the choke on, which means that it is charging too heavy. Then you have your gas shut off and on. You have 3 breaker switches divided up between the 3 different outlets. Up here you have your USB 1.0 and 2.1, plus this connection is for charging batteries. Here you have 2 household for the charging batteries. Here you have the 2 household connections, and then the large wattage 30 amp connection. Cable for the battery charging is also included in the package, which simply plugs in. Also, you have the 30 amp 120 volt large connection, which is included without a wire. For a simple key startup, place the key. Make sure you are in the off position here so you do not send any surges to anything that may be hooked up. Make sure that your gas line is in the on position. Pull the choke out. Now you can place the choke back in. Turn this on so that you will be able to now put out the power. To shut off the machine, make sure to put it in the off position so that you do not get any charges that can damage any of your equipment that is hooked up. And that is how to properly shut it off. If for some reason your auto starter is not working, you need to use the key to put it into the on position softly. Make sure your gas is turned to the on. Pull the choke, and now you are ready to pull on the cord. If you have any questions about this beautiful machine, the Aavix Inverter Generator, please contact customer support. We will be always happy to help you. For easy portability, the handle extends